Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegan dishes. Embracing plant-based eating opens up a world of vibrant flavors and diverse textures. You can create delicious meals using common ingredients, often with simple substitutions. We will explore how easy it is to transform everyday cooking into exciting vegan cuisine, focusing on fresh produce and wholesome pantry staples, ensuring every meal is both satisfying and nutritious. A well-stocked vegan pantry is your secret weapon for quick, delicious meals. Keep a variety of legumes like canned chickpeas and black beans, along with versatile grains such as quinoa or brown rice. Nutritional yeast adds a cheesy flavor, while plant milks like almond or oat milk are essential. Stock up on olive oil, a variety of spices, and fresh garlic for flavorful foundations. Transforming your favorite recipes into vegan versions is surprisingly simple with a few smart substitutions. For eggs and baking, try 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed mixed with 3 tablespoons of water. Instead of dairy milk, use any plant-based milk. For cheese, nutritional yeast or vegan cheese shreds work wonderfully. Butter can be replaced with olive oil or a plant-based margarine stick for rich flavor. Whip up quick vegan meals by planning ahead and prepping ingredients. Try a vibrant stir-fry with a variety of colorful vegetables and tofu, or a hearty lentil soup that can last for several days. Sheet pan dinners, featuring roasted root vegetables and chickpeas, are incredibly easy. Remember to taste as you go, adjusting seasonings like a pinch of salt or a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and enjoy the journey of delicious vegan cooking.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.